Okay, this is going to be a quick beginner tutorial for how to solve the last layer of a Rubik's Cube. So the first step is solving the yellow cross. So there are three cases: the line, the L, and the dots. All of these can be solved with a very similar algorithm. So first, let's take the line, and you want to hold it horizontally like this. And you do this algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, which gets you the yellow cross. Similarly, with the L, you just hold it in the front right. You do the same algorithm, but the F moves are F wide moves. So you do F wide, R, U, R prime, U prime, F wide. Then we have the line, the dot, sorry, the dot, where you just put both of those algorithms together to get the yellow cross. So you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, where you get the L, and then you do the F wide, R, U, R prime, U prime, F wide prime. Okay, the next step is getting the yellow edges in the right place. So you just adjust it so that you got two yellow edges in the correct place and two that need to be switched. Then you do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Should get you all the yellow edges in the right place. You can also just remember this algorithm by just looking where the pair is going. So you just take this pair out here, you move it across, and then you put it back in, but with a U2. And that will solve it. Okay, so the next step after this is putting all the corners in the correct place. So right now, all of these are in the wrong place. So what we do is hold it from any angle and do U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And then there'll be one corner that is in the right place. Then we just hold it in the front right and just do the algorithm again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And then if that still doesn't solve all the corners, you just do it again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R, U prime, L. And then we just have two. We have all of these corners are now in the right place. Next, we turn the cube upside down and we hold one of the unsolved corners in the bottom right. Then we do this algorithm, also known as the sexy move, which is R, U, R prime, U prime. And you do this until the corner is solved like this. Then you just take another corner and put it in the bottom right and do it again. And then the cube will be solved. And again, let's just quickly do this. So we don't have any solved corners. So we quickly just do the algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And we got one here that's in the correct place. Then we do again. And again. And now we just have these two that need to be solved. So we put it in bottom right. R, U, R prime, U prime, L, U, R prime, L. There we go. Now I'll just quickly do a quick solve for you guys. So got the L. So you do F wide, R, U, R prime, U prime, F wide prime. Okay, we got a bit lucky there. Hold on. Let me just quickly do this again. So we got the bar. We do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. We got the cross. Now we got two solved edges. So we just put them in the back. And then we got these two that need to be switched. So we just do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then all the edges are solved. Now we take a solved corner, which we don't have any here, so we just do this algorithm from any angle. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Now we've got this one. Let's do it again. And now we just have these two last, so we just put one in bottom right, just do the algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime. till it's solved, and then we just take another one and just do it again. There we go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it has helped you to finally finish the Rubik's Cube. And I'll put all these algorithms in the description if you need them. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.